This 2019 Grand Design Imagine XLS 21BHE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 24 feet 11 inches in length and features a brown interior, sleeps 8, smoke detector, air conditioning, spare tire kit, refrigerator, oven, auxiliary battery, TV, awning, LP detector, TV antenna, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Grand Design Imagine XLS 21BHE is 4,497 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.